Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic chili chicken. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make garlic chili chicken, you'll need 3 tablespoons of oil, 5 cloves of garlic cut into thin slices, half a finely sliced or diced onion, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 green or 1 black cardamom pod, 4 sliced green chillies and a whole one for decoration, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of mixed powder or curry powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, paneer, veg or tofu, 1 optional teaspoon of Patak's garlic pickle or half a teaspoon of hot chili garlic sauce, 250 millilitres of heated base gravy, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, quarter of a tomato sliced, 40 grams of coconut block, again optional, and finally some fresh chopped coriander. To begin, heat the oil on medium heat and add the garlic and onions, stirring gently until they begin to lightly brown. This will take around 5 minutes. Ensure you don't burn the garlic as it will taste awful. Add the salt, ginger, garlic paste, cardamom and chillies. Stir through, then cook for 30 seconds. Using black cardamom pods will give the dish a warmer, smokier flavour. If you don't want any, simply use 2 to 3 green ones. Add the chilli powder, mixed powder, tomato puree and turmeric. Stir through, then cook for 30 seconds. Adding a little heated up base gravy ensures the spices fry nicely but do not burn. Add the meat and a spoon of Patak's garlic or pickle or chili garlic sauce. Stir and coat the meat and allow to fry for a minute to infuse the flavours into the meat. Add half of the base gravy, stir through, allow to cook for a minute or two, then add the rest. Remember to always heat up the base gravy so you don't end up boiling all the spices. Cook through without stirring. Then add the fenugreek and tomato slices and stir through. Continue to cook for a couple of minutes before adding the coconut block or powder and some of the fresh chopped coriander. Simmer until the oil separates, the meat is cooked through, and the sauce is the consistency you require. Remove the cardamom pods and serve decorated with a drizzle of ghee, a sprinkle of coriander and a fresh whole chilli. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.